Before starting our lecture about Industry 4 or I4, I would like to present this slide to you. On September 17, 2013, a study done by Dr. Frey and Professor Osborne from University of Oxford gave detailed prediction for jobs in the next 1 or 2 decades. 47% of all jobs in the US labor market at risk of computerization. Those who work with machines and in the production sector, 98% of such jobs may be ready to automation. Industry 4 or I4, an introduction. Why Industry 4? This slide is showing Industry 4 pillars. Here they are 9. Other researchers are suggesting more than 9 pillars. Let us stay with these 9 pillars for now and move on to explain Industry 4. Significant events and operation management. Industry 1 and 2 main focus was cost. Industry 3 cost focus was at beginning, but Industry 3 focus changed later to quality. Industry 3 focus changed again from quality to customization. Industry 3 focus changed finally from customization to globalization, and then Industry 4 came and changed the focus to something amazing. It is every manufacturer's dream to manufacture all type of products in any large volume. The manufacturer wants to become the genie from the lamp for the customers. The fourth industrial revolution takes the automation of manufacturing processes to a new level by introducing customized and flexible mass production technologies. Slide 6 is a very important slide. Please let us take a deep look at this figure and examine it very carefully. There are 4 types of production for Industry 3. The first type of production is process-focused production. The second type of production is repetitive production. The third type of production is product-focused production. The fourth type of production is mass customization production. There are 2 blue arrows. One is vertical and the other is horizontal. When we move up with the vertical blue arrow, we get higher product varieties. When we move to the right with the horizontal blue arrow, we get higher product volume. The first type of production has high product varieties, but low product volume. Hospitals and restaurants are examples for production type 1. The second type of production has medium size product varieties and medium size product volume. Autos and home appliances are examples for production type 2. The third type of production has low product varieties and high product volume. Steel and beer are examples for production type 3. The fourth type of production has high product varieties and high product volume. Dell computers is an example for production type 4. Slide 7 is a very important slide too. Again, please let us take a deep look at this figure and examine it very carefully. As we explained slide 6, there are 4 types of production for Industry 3. The first type of production, which is process focus production, has no production modulus, but it has many production processes and procedures. The second type of production, which is repetitive production, has a few production modulus. The third type of production, which is product focus production, has no production modulus, but it has a few production processes and procedures. The fourth type of production is mass customization production, which has many production modules. In Industry 3, small and medium enterprises must gain production modules to become repetitive production type to be able to reach the goal of becoming fourth type production. In Industry 3, product focus production must gain production modules to become repetitive production type to be able to reach the goal of becoming fourth type production. Repetitive production must gain more production modules to be able to jump from second type production to the fourth type production. Okay, let us reveal the Industry 4 magic. Small and medium enterprises needs no production modules gaining to jump from the first type production to the fourth type production. Also, small and medium enterprises will become mass personalization production type enterprises. Products focus production needs no production modules gaining to jump from third type production to the fourth type production. It will become a mass personalization production type immediately. Repetitive production needs no more production modules gaining to jump from second type production to the fourth type production. It will become a mass personalization production type immediately. Industry 4 mass customization needs no modules because it has the pillars which giving this production type a super flexibility. The Industry 4 9 pillars made the flexible mass personalization dream to become true. On-demand flexible mass personalization manufacturing is the resulted production type for Industry 4. Industry 4 and the small and medium enterprises. Industry 4 I4 increases flexibility of production processes to fabricate products with a level of customization that resembles the era of crafts manufacturing. Despite global competition, personalization is a differentiation strategy applied by manufacturers to remain unique. By including personalized products next to their core products, small and medium-sized enterprises can respond to the demand for personalized products where individualization adds value. A clear example of Industry 3, body paint few modules, repetitive production type. On the left, we see the colors modulus. The customer or the client choose from the modulus the color he or she desire. Yes, the customer or client can customize the color he or she desire, but cannot personalize his or her car paint color. A clear example of Industry 4 body paint personalization. On the left, we see no colors modulus. We see the full color display spectrum. The customer or the client has the full freedom to make his or her favorite paint color from the color display spectrum. Yes, the customer or the client in Industry 4 can personalize his or her car paint color. From slide 10, on-demand flexible mass personalization manufacturing is the resulted production type for Industry 4. So, no more bad forecasting. In the early 1980s, AT&T asked McKinsey to estimate how many cell phones would be in use in the world at the turn of the century. McKinsey concluded that the total market would be about 900,000, but what happened in 1999? These days, 900,000 new subscribers join the world's mobile phone services every 3 days. In conclusion, mass personalization is the goal for Industry 4. The pillars of Industry 4 give the mass personalization production the flexibility needed and no more modulus. Industry 4 is a must for SMEs to jump from process focused production to mass personalization production.